What is the biggest mistake you ever made in IT that you're never going to make again?
Lost someone's data.
Forgot to back something up.
Not enough backup.
Deploying the wrong cloud solution to a customer.
Selling the wrong solution to a customer who didn't need it.
Probably not putting antivirus on all the clients.
And you did that once before?
We did that yesterday.
I basically lost the database.
I used the wrong command and deleted entire file system once.
It already had an OS on it, and so I misconfigured the RAID setup and lost the entire OS.
Biggest mistake I've ever made in IT was probably not planning far enough ahead.
Not using all of my budget. It's very much like the government. If you don't use all of your budget, you lose it the next year. I've done that 7 years in a row, and my budget's been reduced, but thankfully for things like the cloud, BYOD, it's really helped out.
Probably overspending on equipment without fully identifying all of the architecture for our project.
Designing a setup without thinking about manpower. Well, you can buy hardware all day long, but if you don't have the people to run it, then you're in trouble.
What's the biggest mistake you ever made in IT that you're never going to repeat again?
I shut down a server at 2 different branches on 2 different days in the same week.
I changed the firewall rules of a firewall, and it took down the online store of one of the biggest companies in Europe for a day.
How much money did they lose?
Let's not talk about it.
I took down the Wells Fargo banking infrastructure back in Southern California and essentially brought down probably about 500,000 customers' accounts.
I can't think of anything that has been so catastrophic that I've just, taken down an entire organization or anything with one fell swoop.
So your worst mistake is ahead of you?
Yes, you can put it that way, yes, because it will happen eventually.